Register box, connecting to vent diffuser. Welcome. You're now at the final point of the duct run, the register box, also called the vent box. This is where the airflow enters the room. In this class, we'll show you how to install the register box, attach it to the ceiling or wall, and connect it to the flex duct securely. Let's finish the ductwork system right. What is a register box? The register box is the metal or ductboard box installed near the ceiling, wall, or floor where the grill or diffuser will be mounted. It's where the cool or warm air finally exits the duct system and enters the room. Installation steps. Step 1. Position and secure the box. Place the register box between ceiling joists or wall studs. Use screws, nails, or brackets to secure it firmly. Tip: make sure the face of the box aligns flush with the drywall or finished surface for clean grill installation later. Step 2. Connect the flex duct. Slide the flex duct over the round collar on the back of the register box. Secure it with duct clamp or zip tie, mastic or aluminum tape for air sealing. Pull the insulation over the connection and seal that too. No gaps. Keep the airflow tight. Step 3. Apply sealants. Seal the seams and joints with aluminum tape or mastic paste. Don't leave any opening. Every leak means lost airflow and lower efficiency. Final notes. The grill or diffuser will be attached after drywall finishing and painting. Make sure the register box stays clean and doesn't get filled with debris during construction. Don't compress the flex duct too close to the register box. It can reduce airflow. You did it! That's the last connection in the ductwork system. Your airflow now goes from the air handler, main plenum box, distribution box, flex duct, register box, into the room.